Welcome back to the Magritech installation series. In this episode, we'll be assembling and installing the flow distributor. To start, we'll be splitting the manifold flow with our flow distributor. First, install 1.5-inch ID inner diameter hoses, pre-cut to 3.5-inch lengths, onto T6 hose tails. Next, add two 30 to 50 millimeter stainless steel hose clips onto each hose. We'll be using those to secure the hose. Now, connect the Magritech flow distributor with 1.5-inch hose tails. Push the flow distributor onto the installed hoses, ensuring that all hose tails are connected. Remember, when installing the hose clips, ensure they're secured on the barb of the flow distributor. This allows the clamp to grip both the hose and the barb, not just the polished part of the tube. This is shown in the installation manual, which can be found on the portal. Next, tighten all the 30 to 50 millimeter stainless steel hose clips onto the barb of the hose tails. Double check with a socket and wrench to ensure everything is secure. With the flow distributor connected, install the correct size pressure feed hose tail to the flow distributor inlet and outlet. Manifold plumbing for 8-stack or 2 4-stacks should be done in this configuration to ensure full optimization of the system. If a different plumbing configuration is required, please contact our Magritech tech support team for assistance. In our next video, we'll guide you through the magnetic rod installation. We'll see you there.